We all have a special place when it comes to our mother's cooking. One reason being that they make their own spice powders at home. So today I am going to share how I make my garam masala powder along with a simple yet flavorful potato roast using the garam masala. So let's get started and check out the recipe. If you like this recipe, like, share and subscribe to Home Cooking channel and also click on the bell icon to get your notifications. For the homemade garam masala powder, first I'm going to roast a series of ingredients starting with half cup of coriander seeds. Maintain the heat at medium throughout. Roast the coriander seeds till you get a nice aroma and they've turned to a nice golden brown color. Transfer the coriander seeds to a plate. To the same pan, add quarter cup of cumin seeds. Roast the cumin seeds for about 2 minutes. Remove them from the pan and transfer it to a plate. Now I'm going to add all the whole spices starting with cinnamon. So I've taken 4 pieces of cinnamon, large pieces. These are 3-inch pieces. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of cloves, 2 tablespoons green cardamom, 8 large black cardamom, 2 star anise, 1 nutmeg, 1 tablespoon whole peppercorns, 2 pieces of mace. Next I'm adding 4 large bay leaves. Now I've cut them into half. Now roast all the ingredients on medium flame. I've roasted the whole spices for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. So all these wonderful aromas have been released and all these essential oils have come out. Now I'm going to turn off the stove, transfer it to a plate and cool all the ingredients for the garam masala completely. Transfer all the cool ingredients to a mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. The garam masala is done. Transfer it to a nice airtight container or a jar. So now we've made the garam masala powder. The aromas are amazing. So using this garam masala powder, I'm going to show you a very nice and simple potato roast. So let's get started and check it out. Take a kadai or a wide saucepan. To this add 1 tablespoon oil. To the oil add quarter teaspoon mustard seeds. Once the mustard seed starts splattering, add quarter teaspoon of hing. Add the cut potatoes. I've taken 4 medium-sized potatoes, peel the skin and cut into large pieces. Close the kadai and cook the potatoes for about 5 minutes on medium flame. Once the potatoes are half done, add 1 teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix it all together. Maintain the flame on medium. Close and cook for another 5 minutes. So as you can see, the potatoes have come to a lovely golden color. They are roasting beautifully. So now I'm going to add half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the freshly ground homemade garam masala powder. Depending on the quantity of potatoes you're using, you can adjust the spices in the garam masala. After adding the chili powder and the garam masala powder, reduce the flame to a low and continue to roast for about 5 minutes. The potatoes are done, they're cooked to perfection and they look so gorgeous. They're roasted to a nice lovely golden brown color and it's coated with the garam masala so beautifully. Turn off the stove and serve these delicious roasted potatoes nice and hot. So here is this absolutely delicious and aromatic potato roast made using this freshly ground garam masala. Now my kitchen smells wonderful, and when you're making the garam masala, make sure all the ingredients are always fresh and make them in small batches and store them in airtight containers. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.